Globalstar or low Earth orbit satellites. So this Globalstar, the constellation of satellites are in LEO orbit. The Globalstar is a low Earth LEO satellite constellation for satellite phone and low speed data communication. The Globalstar orbits have an inclination of 52 degrees. That is, they are not covering that much of the polar area. Because on the left hand side you see this is the figure of iridium. It covers the polar area quite nicely. So the Globalstar orbits have an orbital height of approximately 1400 kilometers. So we have 48 LEO satellites in Globalstar, and Globalstar uses a traditional bent pipe design of communication. If someone is calling from the North Pole, it is sent back to the Earth because it is the iridium. All the communication take place at space. Here the call originating from say the North Pole is sent back to the Earth and then picked up by the large ground station, and call is routed now via a terrestrial network on the ground to the ground station which is nearest to the callee, that is who is supposed to receive the call, and it is delivered by the bent pipe. The advantage is that in iridium all things are happening on space. So if something has to be maintained, you have to go to the satellite, and that is not so easy. In the Globalstar, it put much of the complexity on the ground, so it is easier to manage. Okay, you talk about electric, electronic or electromechanical devices. The use of a large ground station antenna that can put up or put out a powerful signal, and they can also receive a weak one, means that the low powered telephones can be used. The actual handheld devices are not having that much of power.